If you're looking for a performance bumper to add to your truck but are worried about weight that may cause sag and wear, you should check out ICI's Alumilite truck bumper. This bumper is not only lightweight, but you never have to worry about rust. By itself, the bumper weighs 45 pounds. With all hardware, it comes to 70 to 80 pounds fully installed. Whether you live in the mountains or by the sea, the Alumilite bumper is designed to endure the elements and withstand rust. Aluminum alloys have the ability to withstand extreme environments while also remaining a lighter alternative to other bumpers. This bumper can accommodate two 3-inch cube LED lights in the middle or one 40-inch light bar on the front to keep you blazing the trails in the dark. And don't worry about sagging your truck, as this bumper is extremely lightweight. While it is significantly lighter than other brands, the aluminum is 50% thicker than your standard steel bumper, still providing durability, protection, and quality. This bumper will accommodate trucks with and without front parking sensors and give you the option to keep your OE tow hooks. However, if you don't want to keep factory tow hooks, this is a great time to change them during installation of the bumper. Installing the bumper can be a bit tricky, so if you're not experienced with this type of installation, we recommend having a professional do it. The Alumilite front bumper for ICI is backed with a limited lifetime warranty on the structure and a 2-year warranty on the finish. If you are interested in purchasing an ICI Alumilite bumper or having one installed, check out our dealer locator below. And as always, leave us a like or a comment. And thanks for watching In the Garage. We'll see you next time.